So this is not that surprising. Based on leaks, we're not getting the OnePlus Open 2 until the second half of the year. So kind of in the August, September, October period. Which again, like I said before, is not surprising because this is what happened last time the OnePlus Open 1 came out. It came out in the second half of the year. Now, obviously, the Oppo Find N5 will come out early in the year. Most likely first quarter, I would guess February or March time period. But again, keep in mind, just because it's rebranded, quote unquote, for the OnePlus series, doesn't mean it's going to come out the same time as Oppo. Because they want that period of time where people will go ahead and go buy Oppo's product, right? And if you have OnePlus out there, people will just buy OnePlus. So you want to have this period of time where, you know, Oppo can go out there, market it, make money, you know, get actual sales of this product and see how what people are saying, what people like, what people don't like, and kind of go through that whole process. And then that's the first half of the year, right? Then if somebody wants it, okay, now they go to Oppo. But for people who can't get it, like in the Western world, you have to wait till OnePlus comes out. It also creates more excitement for OnePlus because then you have all these reviews of the Oppo Find N5. People are excited. People are saying it's the best phone ever, which they probably will because it's Oppo, and Oppo always hits home runs on this crap. But that's pretty much that, right? Everyone's going to be excited. Oh, this phone's so good. This phone's so amazing. And then, bam, the OnePlus Open comes out too. OnePlus Open 2, excuse me, comes out and everyone's like, okay, this is the best thing ever. And we already know it's going to have a Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite processor, which is the best Snapdragon processor by far. It's going to be the same one in the Z Fold 7. So that's going to be, again, stupidly excited. There's so many positives about the OnePlus Open 2 that I don't know how Samsung's going to keep up with that company. Because, again, you know, Google, I love the 9 Pro Fold, right? I think the phone of the year was considered the 9 Pro. But still, like the 9 Pro Fold, absolute home run. The 10 Pro Fold is going to be great, too. That's going to be an amazing phone as well. But I just don't know how Samsung's going to keep up. Because at least with Google, they have 2 generations of their phone. They're going to the 3rd generation. So Samsung, for their credit, does have a good amount of years with the 7 generations of the Z Fold series. Oppo's on their 5th year. Right? So they have a good repertoire. And not only that, they have a huge market who loves their phone. So, and then OnePlus is just, again, copying and pasting Oppo, so it doesn't really matter. Samsung's going to have to really do something. Because we looked at it yesterday, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, and even compared to Z Fold 6, it's not really that much crazy different. And the Z Fold 6 Special Edition is going to be the Z Fold 7. It's all but been confirmed at this point with all the people saying that that is the move forward that Samsung's taking. So, I don't know. Samsung's going to have to do something or pull something out of left field because currently they're in a very interesting spot. But hey, listen. We'll have to wait and see. Definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys in the next one.